Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.
What is up, you guys? We are back with another vlog. We're gonna be getting my friend Daniel, maybe Ledbetter's. We picked up this microwave over at this church that we're going to. We might be going to this bounce house place where my brother went with his friend Kaysen. Shout out to I think his name's Kaysen Vlogs. Yeah, Kaysen not vlog. Hi. I am with my friend Daniela. What? Look, Daniela, you want to say something? Do you want to say something with your mouth? Say hi. Say hi. Say hola. You want to fight, bro? We're gonna be going to get some friends. Hopefully we do the jump and bounce thing. Like, hopefully. But wait until my freaking friends get out of school. We have to do microwave thing or something. Are we gonna go get the microwave or no? Okay, we'll see you guys at the microwave. Today we are doing another kitchen segment. It's a little weird today because it's in the garage, but
So we have marshmallows.
Marshmallows in there right now. Alright? Go!
So smart.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. We're just gonna start it up, I guess. Which one to start?
Yeah, so
Right one. Go.
Getting so warm.
Alright, that's what it is so far.
Those
Close
are so
it.
fat.
Close it.
I'm gonna do. How long are we actually gonna? 3 minutes?
Not all of it. We're just gonna do it until
We should just do
it's
1
close.
minute. We should just do. And then we eat it.
When we were young, the higher places made us
Yo,
strong
these look like freaking
together.
hot. I'm not kidding. Wait, we should make
Every
this.
day, we told each other to be friends forever.
Alright.
Mistakes and troubles didn't bring us down.
Oh, these are looking ridiculous. That looks like molten. Yo, that actually smells really good. Smell that. Oh, yo. No, wait, put it in for longer.
We got the love, the night is young.
No, just put it for a longer part.
We got the passion, we got the love.
Stop, stop, stop.
Come on. Okay. Let's party it up.
Let's go party.
Who cares? Give me that. Give me this. I'm gonna
We were young,
put a little bit.
the higher places made us strong together.
Sit down.
Every day, we told each other to be friends forever.
It's kind of like
Mistakes
Yo,
and
that-
troubles
I really
didn't bring us down.
it was like. It's
And
not
it was
that
like, tastes like a. I tasted salt in my mouth.
I kind of taste.
Open it back up.
Like,
Put it in for longer. No, try to put it in. Put it in as long as until. This is so bad.
we've been outside for 4 days. The house has been contained,
Contaminated.
contaminated
My
with
sister turned into a zombie.
toxic
All right, I'll take it.
crap.
I'm going in.
We're going in, seeing. Did you hear
Making
that?
sounds. Open it up. What? 8, 7, 6, 5.
Dude.
1. It's black. It's black. I'm done. I'm done. It's black.
Okay, I'm gonna hold my breath.
It's black.
I'm going in. I'm holding my breath.
I got it.
Hold, I got it.
It's black. I'm not kidding. It is. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe anymore.
Oh my gosh. You guys, the thing was black.
Here we go. Come in. I need the water.
Oh, bro.
Here we go.
Dude, you can't even inhale this. Wait, hold up. Dude, whenever I...
No, we need to put it in more because it's not smoking anymore.
Go. Go. Oh, it's still burning. Oh, it's burning like crap.
No, this is like 1,000 degrees. I'm not kidding. I'm about to.
Dude, that is so not right for us, bro.
And I'm inhaling this crap.
Oh my gosh.
Chuck it in.
My brother's gonna just chuck a bunch of water in there. Ready? Steady, go. Oh, we're gonna have to clean this up. Okay, Lucas, chill.
I think it's good.
Dude, look at the freaking granola bar.
Alright, let's unplug it and throw. We don't have to clean everything up in the
Okay, yeah, so that's kind of the end. We'll see you guys if we do something. Okay. Yella, you said the F word. How dare you? You said the F word.
They're hitting it.
What's up, you guys? So the plan was kind of jacked up. We were gonna go to Jump and Bounce place. Hey guys, be quiet. I'm trying to vlog. He said, so we went to the Jump and Bounce place. We were all ready and stuff, and then this lady came up to us, and Jordy Baba, hello. You don't even care that they saw your face anymore?
Nope.
So this lady came and she was all like, you guys shouldn't go in. She like gave us freaking coupons, and then she was all like, oh yeah, you guys shouldn't go in there. All the jump and bounce, all the bouncy house things, those are totally deflated. I was like touching the ground, which was so weird because you didn't even see the kids in the back.
Yeah,
I was like, what the crap? What the crap?
And she was kind of big.
So. Yeah.
She was trying to. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but
Yeah, we're gonna be close to you.
but we're gonna try to do something. We're gonna probably go to the gas station
And-
or go to the blue part.
No, we'll go to both probably.
Yeah.
And,
And
she's like
yeah, so
4
we'll
times
see you
our
guys
weight,
there. I'm so sorry, you guys. I was planning this huge big thing. Like, we were gonna do the microwave thing. We were gonna go to the bounce park, and then as soon as that didn't work, we went over to, we were gonna go over to the gas station and go to the blue park. But we waited too long, and yeah, her mom said no. She was like, no. What the crap? No. You can't go outside when it's freaking dark like this. You can't go outside like that. You'll get stolen. But I think that's gonna be the end of the video, you guys.
We got poker.
Like, subscribe, comment down below, anything, okay? Just remember, 50 likes. Just squash the like button, okay, you guys? We'll see you.
Let's